So Chris, playoffs with Tindastóll, your first playoffs, how does it feel?
It's exciting, you know, it's new, all new for me, but Tindastóll's been there quite a few times now, so we've got a bunch of players in the team that are preparing the rest of the guys, so it's going to be exciting.
How do you feel your squad is going into the playoffs?
You know, we made it a little bit hard for ourselves at the end of the year, but you know, it's going to be a fight this series. And, you know, I think it'll be fun.
You think you guys match up well against Keflavík?
Yes, you know, we've had a bunch of young guys step up lately, so that helps us. You know, be there, Hannes, they're playing good basketball right now. So yeah, we've got a bunch of guys that can step in and really help.
What's going to be the decider this series?
Defense. For us, it's defense. If we can play solid for 40 minutes, then I don't think any team in this league can stay with us.
Thank you.